What's up, Dunks? Welcome back to Sudoku with Jouet. My name is Sudoku. It's Monday, so you know what that means. It's time for a brand new artisanal Sudoku. This is from volume 194. Okay, we have gauge. We have normal Sudoku apply. We have diagonal sums. Numbers outside the grid give the sum of the diagonals along the indicated diagonals. These digits can repeat if allowed by other rules, and then Renban. Okay, normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9 every row, every column, and every 3 by 3 box. Now, the diagonal sums, so this 5 right here, so these 4 digits in that diagonal have to sum to 5. These have to sum to 15. These have to sum to 12. These are 16, etc., etc. Now, the Renban, these have to be a set of non-repeating consecutive digits in any order. So this could be 1, 2, 3, but it could be, if it's 1, 2, 3, it could be 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, etc. All right. I think that's all the rules, so let me just restart the timer and get going. Okay, so 16 can only be a 7-9 pair. Now, if this was a 9, this would have to be an 8 and a 7, so the 7 would have to be here, so we know that this is going to be a 7. That's a 9. We know that a 6 is going to be on here, but it could be a 7, 6, 5 or 7 or 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then we're going to go with this. So 1, 2, so this has to be a 1, 1, 1, 2. So then this is going to be a 1 and a 2. So then we can place the 1 here. Now, if this was a 1, very similar to this, if this was a 1, a 2 would have to be on here. So that's going to be a 2. This is going to be a 1, and then this will be a 3, 4. I think. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so the lowest that these can be are going to be, that's a 1, 2, 3 triple, and this is going to be a 1, 2, 3 triple as well. That can't be a 1, and if this is a 1, it would have to be a 1. Okay, so this is going to be the 1. That's going to be a 2. This is going to be a 3. So that, and then this will be a 4, 5 pair because it has to go up. Because if this was a 2, then a 3 would have to be on here, but it couldn't be. Yeah. That all makes sense. This makes sense. Yeah, I think I'm doing this correctly. Then I can pencil mark 1s here and here. That's not a 1. Okay. Nines are here. Okay. 1s are here. Okay, so yeah, 1, 2, 3. That all makes sense. This is supposed to be the easy puzzle for the week, but I've never really enjoyed doing the diagonal sums. So let's see how this works out for me. So we know that, all right, 3s will be there, 2s will be there, 1s are in the corners. Okay, that's not helpful. Yeah, I'm gonna remove those. I don't like doing 3 options. Okay, can we figure anything else out? I would hope so. So is this gonna be a 6, 8, or 5, 6? Okay. So this is a 1, 2, 3. Minimum 4 is on here. So this is 4, 5, 6. That could work. 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, because 7 could be here, and then 9 would be up there. That could work as well. Oh, we should probably figure out this 15. 1, 2, 3, 4 is. So if we do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 3, 6, 7. Lowest at 7. So I think a 15 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 3, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that can't be the 1. That can't be a 2. This can't be a 1. This can be a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's going to be 4, 5 pair. So this has to be the 1, only option on the row. That is not a 3. Actually, does that have to be? Yes, it does. No, because it could be 1, 2, 3, 3, and then 6. I think. Yeah, I don't like this. I do not like where this is headed. Because, yeah, 15, because with the diagonals, they can repeat. Yeah, because they can repeat. But a 1 would still have to be on that. No matter what, a 1 is still going to be on it. So this is still a 1. So then this is a 1, and then that's a 1. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with saying that. I'm okay with saying that. So then I have 14 among these. So if it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3 is 14. But this could also be 3, 4, or 5, 2, 5, 2. 7, which would also add, but it wouldn't be because it's a 2, 3 pair here. Now, okay, can I figure anything out with this? 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cells that add up to 18. Okay. Threes are going to be here. Okay, I'm going to pause this real quick. All right, I'm back. I just did a little bit of math to figure out the remaining cells. And now I know that there has to be a 2. There has to be a 2 and a 3 on this 15. So I'm going to place this as a 3, and that's a 2, because these can't be 2 because it's a 2, 3 pair. So then the remaining, so this has to be a 4, 5. This has to be a 4, 5, because otherwise any other option would include another 3 or another 2. So that's impossible. So it's going to be that. It has to be that. But now, if this is a 4, so this has to be the 5, and that has to be a 4, then it has to go up. So this is going to be a 7, that's going to be a 6. So I can pencil mark the 7s here. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm okay with that, yeah. Make me do some figuring it out over here. Okay, and with this remaining 20 equals 18 because we have the 2 1s, it has to include a 2. So then I know that this is going to be this has to be the 2, and it can't be a 1 on there. So this is going to be a 3, 4. That'll be a 5, 4. Okay, so there's definitely a 2 on there. And then we'll figure out the rest of them in a minute. Okay, so then I can do 3s here, which puts 3s up there. This is actually a 3, 4 pair now. Love that. And then 5s are going to be here. Okay. So 8, 9. This is an 8, 9 pair. 2, 3. Okay. This is a 1, so I can place that as a 1. And the 1s are done. Okay, good. So then 2s I can pencil mark here. We know that that can't be a 2 because that's already a 7. Okay, so then, and then it's going to be 2, 5, 6, and 8. But the 8 cannot be here. So that's going to be the 2. That is not a 2. It's a 5, 6, 8 triple now. Yeah, I'm okay with that. And then this is a 2. Then this is a 6, 7, 8, 9 quad. Okay. So, okay, so I know that we can't put a 5 on the 20. So I'm going to cross off my list that has any 5s on them. Yes. Okay. And then I can cross off any that have multiple 2s. Okay. Okay, and then that one can't be a 439. So this is either 637 or 4. Okay, it's gonna be this is a 637. So this is gonna be the 3, and then this is a 6-7 pair now. That's not a 9. This is gonna be the 9, which puts an 8 here. Right. So this is 1, 2. That's a 6, 7. So we need 13, which is 7 and 6. Yes. Yeah. I'm okay with this. I'm happy with where this is going. A little slow, but I'm alright with it. Oh crap! I didn't pause this timer. Oh well, that's okay. I paused my video timer, but not that. That's fine. All right. So 2s will be here. Oh, this is a 3. Oh, nice. 3, 2. So that's gonna be a 4, 3. Then, okay. This will be the 2. That is not a 2. 5, 6, 8. 2, 3. We need 4, 8, and 9 up here. 4, 8, and 9. That's okay. 5, 6, and 7. 3, 4. Okay. So, what can we do? We can do 9s are up here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just pencil mark the rest of them. 5. Can they all be 6s? Yes, they can. 6s, 7s, and then 8s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Quintuple. Okay, that's not good. Oh, this is a 3. And then it has to go up. So it's going to be 5 will be there. That's a 4. So that's not a 4. 6, 7, 8, 9 quad as well. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not a 9. That's not an 8. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 4s are going to be here. It's a 6, 7, 9 triple. This is the 9. So that's not a 9. It's going to be a 6, 7. Pair with that. Okay. 4, 5, 8. 5 is going to be here. Okay. All right. So 5s are like that, but they have to go there. So this is not a 5. So this is the 5. Okay, good. 6, 7, 8, and 9. That'll be 6, 7, 8. 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 6, 7, 8. 4, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7 pair. Okay. So this and that are the same. That and that. Okay. I know there's something with the 6, 7, but I'm not going to be able to figure it out just yet. Okay. This is a 4, and that'll be a 3. So that's a 3. It's not a 3. We can place the 4 up here. It's not a 4, so we know it has to go up. That cannot be a 7. So this will be the 7, which puts a 6, 7 there. That is not a 6. It's not a 6. That's not 7. 4, 6, 8. Okay. 8, 9. So this has to go up. So this is going to be the 5. That's a 6. So we have a 5 there. 8. That's a 6. So this will be a 6 as well. Oh, didn't want that. Wanted this. 7, 6. That's an 8. 4, 6, 8, 9, 8. Okay. 9, 8. Put a 2 here. Yeah. Wow. Okay. That's not 8. It's a 7, 9 pair now. Okay. This becomes a 2. No, a 5, 8. 5, 8. This is not a. Oh, didn't want that. This is not a. This is not a 6. 5, 7 pair. So those cannot be 6 or 7. That's an 8, 9. 5, 7 pair. Okay. 5, 8. 3. This becomes a 4, 7. So I can place 4 there. 7. It's a 5, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have a 9 here. That's a 6. So you have 8, 9. 5 and 8, which puts this as a 7. Yeah, there we go. We need a 6 and a 9. Finish off with a 5 here and an 8 there. All right, total time 18 minutes, but actual time closer to 16. So not too bad, but having to pull out a piece of paper was not my favorite thing in the world.